Something is detected in the woods. Livie and Brandon are going across the street to check it out with the Howling.
Certainly. Mark.
I'm hearing something behind me. On the back of the trail, back of the house.
Struggle.
There's something really there right now. It's the motion and shadow detector. Oh, something's down there. And it's Livie and Brandon down there shining the flashlight, looking for where the howling was coming from.
Line.
That got shut off. Some of my equipment got shut off.
I know you.
Angel.
Yes, I've been here many times before. Oh, there's a strong detection over there. I turned my security camera off. I can't use it anymore. They're down there. Alright, they'll be back.